Your friend calls you and says,
"I need your help. There's something on my computer that I don't know how to do."
You immediately drop everything you're doing and assist your friend, because you are a good friend, and that's what good friends do. But wait, how would you do it? Well, let me show you how. Tell your friend to click Start and search for Quick Assist. If it's not installed on your friend's computer, this could easily be corrected by installing it from the Microsoft Store. Apparently, not everyone likes it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. When the app opens, it reveals a simple interface. This section here explains what the app can do, which is connecting two computers so that a person can help the other person with their issues. Here are two available main options of this app: help your friend or get help from your friend. By the way, it has to be a friend or a close relative. I wouldn't trust a stranger with this app.
Just subscribe.
On your computer, click Start, search for Quick Assist and activate it. Since your friend is the one that needs help and you are the hero that will be providing it, click this button to start the assistance process. After signing in with your Microsoft user, you'll see a screen with a security code and a counter. You have now 10 minutes to complete this part of the process. Clicking here will copy the code to your clipboard. You could then send it to your friend by email. This will show instructions on the next steps, and clicking here will cancel and allow you to start over. Your friend should enter the security code here and click Share Screen. After this is done, you are presented with two options. This option allows you to take control of your friend's computer. You can click, type, and control the mouse. The other option is only be able to view your friend's computer, while not being able to do anything but watch. In this video, I'm showing you what the full control option can do. Make your choice and click Continue. Your friend will be presented with this screen. Ask your friend to review this information, read the privacy statement, terms of use, and only then click the Allow button. Once the remote session starts, a pretty colorful ribbon will be surrounding your friend's desktop. This indicates that the remote session is active, and the message at the top of the screen indicates that your friend's screen is being shared. On your computer, a window will open with your friend's desktop. Beyond the obvious, clicking the mouse and activating apps on your friend's computer, this app provides you with several basic but yet very useful tools. If your friend has multiple monitors connected, clicking this allows you to choose which monitor to control. Clicking here allows you to annotate. Anything you mark will be shown on your friend's computer. The event planned on this day was actually rescheduled. You can click here to choose a color and here to delete. This will show your friend's desktop in actual size. The instruction channel allows you to send messages to your friend during the remote control session. Your friend will then be able to copy your text and send a reply by typing it here and clicking Send. This allows you to restart your friend's computer. Using this option will terminate the remote connection. Clicking here will open Task Manager on your friend's computer and has some useful tools here. This will temporarily pause the remote session. During the time the remote session is paused, the ribbon surrounding your friend's desktop will change color to indicate that the remote session is paused. Clicking here will restore the remote session. And finally, clicking the Leave button will end the remote session and will display a message on both yours and your friend's screen that the session has ended. If this video was useful to you, remember that the next video can be even better. This one should be your next choice.